Lennox Error Code 223 indicates a fault in the outdoor coil temperature sensor, which is a critical component in your Lennox HVAC system. This primarily affects air conditioning and heat pump units. This sensor monitors the temperature of the outdoor coil, which is essential for modulating compressor speed, controlling defrost cycles in heat pumps, and ensuring overall system efficiency, especially in variable capacity units. When this sensor malfunctions, it can lead to inefficient cooling or heating or even system shutdown. The good news is, addressing it promptly can prevent further issues. This video will guide you through understanding, diagnosing, and fixing this common error. The outdoor coil temperature sensor, also known as a thermistor, sends resistance-based signals to the control board. At a normal outdoor temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius, the sensor should read between 5 and 10 kiloohms. A fault occurs when the resistance falls below 1 kiloohm, indicating a short circuit, or exceeds 100 kiloohms, indicating an open circuit. These issues are often caused by moisture, corrosion, physical damage, or wiring problems. Understanding how the sensor functions and its normal readings is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can trigger the Lennox Error Code 223. The most common causes include wiring issues, sensor degradation, power surges, manufacturing defects, and extreme weather conditions. Wiring issues are a primary cause, such as loose or corroded connections that interrupt the sensor's signal. Sensor degradation occurs due to environmental exposure, like moisture or corrosion, causing the sensor to fail. Power surges, such as electrical spikes from lightning or grid issues, can damage the sensor's circuitry. Manufacturing defects are rare, but can occur, where the sensor has inherent flaws from production. In rare cases, extreme weather conditions, such as temperatures below -20 degrees Fahrenheit or above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, can cause the sensor to malfunction. Identifying the root cause is the first step toward a successful fix. Pay special attention to the condition of the wiring and the sensor itself. Before attempting any repairs, safety is paramount. Always shut off power to your Lennox unit to avoid electrical hazards. Next, perform a diagnostic check using a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. Compare your readings against the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 10 ohms at 77 degrees or 25 degrees Celsius. Also, verify the continuity of the wiring to ensure there are no breaks or shorts. If your diagnostic check confirms that the sensor is faulty, you'll need to replace it. Use only Lennox-approved replacement sensors with part numbers such as 18K48 or 92W07. These sensors typically cost between $50 and $150. Ensure the new sensor is properly connected and that all wiring is secure. After replacement, it's crucial to reset the system. This can usually be done via the thermostat or control board. Once reset, test the unit to ensure the error code is cleared and the system is functioning correctly. After replacing the outdoor coil temperature sensor, resetting the system is essential to clear error code 223 from the system's memory and allow the unit to recognize the new sensor. Depending on your Lennox model, you can reset the system through the thermostat. Press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds, or navigate the on-screen menu to find the reset option. For other models, reset directly on the control board by locating the reset switch and toggling it, or by cycling the power to the unit completely. Once reset, run a full diagnostic test through the thermostat menu or, for advanced systems, via the Lennox iComfort app to check for any remaining error codes and verify system performance. Finally, monitor the system for several hours to ensure error code 223 does not reappear and that the unit operates efficiently in cooling or heating mode. To prevent future occurrences of error code 223, implement proactive maintenance measures. Seal all electrical connections to protect them from moisture and corrosion. Ensure proper drainage around the outdoor unit to prevent water accumulation, which can damage the sensor. Schedule annual maintenance checks with a qualified HVAC technician to inspect the sensor and wiring and to perform any necessary cleaning or adjustments. These steps will help prolong the life of your sensor and maintain the efficiency of your Lennox system. The HVAC industry is rapidly evolving towards smart, predictive technologies. Lennox's recent updates include AI-driven diagnostics that can predict sensor failures 30 to 60 days in advance by analyzing data from weather APIs and usage patterns. Emerging technologies like wireless sensors and self-diagnosing sensors are becoming more common. By 2030, it's estimated that most new Lennox units will feature sensors that can automatically fix minor faults. Staying informed about these advancements can help you better manage and maintain your HVAC system, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Keep an eye out for firmware updates for your Lennox system, as they often include improvements to error code reporting and sensor management.